So we will start today formula. We will start what is formula. So first discuss what is formula. काहाको में formula कहिबा. First I am writing the definition. The representation of a molecule of a substance. The representation of a molecule of a substance, element or compound in terms of symbol and subscript is known as formula. As previously we have told what is symbol. A symbol is defined as the shorthand notation of the full name of the element. A symbol is defined as the shorthand notation of the full name of the element. Clear? So the representation of a molecule of a substance or a substance, that is element or compound. Previously we have discussed element. Element is composed of similar atoms, as you know. Clear? So the representation of a molecule of a substance or element or compound in terms of symbol or subscript is known as formula. Like this is, suppose for example H2 is the formula of hydrogen. H2 is the formula of hydrogen. We will discuss. Look at H2. The representation of a molecule of a substance in terms of symbol and subscript is known as formula. So H2 is the formula of hydrogen. Similarly, HCl is the formula of hydrochloric acid. HCl is the formula of hydrochloric acid. H2 is the formula of hydrogen. So can you understand what is formula? What is formula? The representation of a molecule of a substance, that is substance is element or compound in terms of symbol and subscript is known as the formula. Look at H2 is the subscript. So H2 is the formula of hydrogen. HCl is the formula of hydrochloric acid. HBr is the formula of hydrobromic acid. HBr is the formula of hydrobromic acid. Next we will discuss what is the quantitative and qualitative significance of formula. What is the qualitative and quantitative significance of formula? So let's discuss what is the significance of formula. Significance of formula. We will discuss what is the significance of formula. A formula has qualitative significance and quantitative significance. Formula has qualitative significance and quantitative significance. So we know that a formula has qualitative as well as quantitative significance. A formula has qualitative as well as quantitative significance. Formula has qualitative significance and quantitative significance. So what is the qualitative significance and what is the quantitative significance of the formula? So we will discuss what is the qualitative significance and quantitative significance of formula. Clear? So first we will discuss what is the qualitative significance. Qualitative significance for it represents the name of the element. Formula name, it represents the name of the element. Second is names of the various. It represents the name of the substance. Sorry, qualitative significance. I am writing qualitative significance of formula. Qualitative significance of formula. qualitative significance of formula. Qualitative significance of formula. So what is qualitative significance? It represents the name of the substance. First bit, it represents the first bit. It represents the first bit, the name of the substance. First, what is the qualitative significance? It represents the name of the substance. Substance ro naam kevole debo. Substance ro naam kon, that is qualitative significance. So qualitative significance, first it represents the name of the substance. Kon represent karibo? Name of the substance. And name of the second, the name of the various elements. The name of the various elements present in the substance. The name of the various elements present in the substance. The name of the various elements present in the substance. So it represents the name of the substance, the name of the various elements present in the substance. Two things qualitative significance of formula represents. First thing is the name of the substance. Substance ro naam kon or substance ro naam kevole tume lekhibo. तापरे the name of the various elements present in the substance. को various elements होइची substance रे सेटा डिनोट कर. Suppose I will discuss. I will give you the examples of what is taking one example of the formula. Suppose I will give the example calcium carbonate CO3. Qualitative significance. What does the qualitative significance represents? The name of the substance. The name of the substance is calcium carbonate. Suppose I am taking one formula. Suppose I am considering CaCO3. Consider CaCO3. Consider CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate. So what is the qualitative significance of this formula? Suppose I will take the example calcium carbonate. The calcium carbonate represents the name of the substance. That is name of the substance. What is the qualitative significance? Qualitative significance is first bit calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. That is the name of the substance. Otherwise, the name of the various elements present in the substance. Name of the various elements. What are the various elements? Calcium is one, carbon and oxygen. Calcium, carbon and oxygen are the various elements present in calcium carbonate. Calcium, carbon and oxygen are the various elements present in calcium carbonate. Present in calcium carbonate. So, what are the various elements? Calcium, carbon and oxygen are the various elements present in calcium carbonate. Clear? So what are the qualitative significance of formula? That will represent the name of the substance. Second is name of the various elements present in the substance. Name of the substance and name of the various elements present in the substance. What are the various elements? One is calcium, second is carbon, third is oxygen. Clear? So this is qualitative significance. Next is quantitative significance. Quantitative significance. Quantitative significance. First, it represents one molecule of the substance. It represents one molecule of the substance. First, quantitative significance. What is the quantitative significance? It represents one molecule of the substance. ये गोटे molecule substance रो गोटे molecule को represent करेगा. That is quantity. That is quantitative significance. First bit, it represents one molecule of the substance. Second, the actual number of atoms. The actual number of atoms of each element. Atoms of each element. The actual number of atoms of each element present in one molecule of the substance. First represent कला one molecule of the substance. One formula रो quantitative significance कौन? It represents गोटे substance रो गोटे molecule, one molecule of the substance को represent करिवो. Second कौन करिवो? The actual number of atoms. The actual number of atoms of each element present in one molecule of the substance. Actually केते number of atoms गोटे molecule of substance रे केते number of atoms अछि सेटा को represent करिवो. गोटे molecule of substance में केते number of atoms रही इक्वल सेटा represent करिवो के quantitative significance. Third ला the number of parts by weight of the substance. The number of parts by weight of the substance. केते number of parts रही substance रो weight ता सेटा represent करिवो. I will give you the examples of what is the qualitative significance and what is the quantitative significance. Next, fourth bit, the number of parts by weight of number of parts by weight of each element. Number of parts by weight of each element. So this is the quantitative significance of formula. First is formula ta kon represent karibo one molecule of the substance, gote molecule substance ro gote molecule ko represent karibo. Second, the actual number of atoms. How many actual number of atoms are present? How many actual number of atoms of each element present in one gote molecule of the substance रे केते number of actual atoms रही सेटा represent करिबो. गोटे molecule substance रे केते actual number of atoms अछि सेटा represent करिबो. सेकेंड. थर्ड ला the number of parts by weight of the substance. जो गोटे पार्ट सपोज गोटे एलिमेंट रही सेटा केते पार्ट्स रही सेटा भी रिप्रेजेंट नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स बाय वेट ऑफ द सब्सटेंस रिप्रेजेंट करिवो. थर्ड ला फोर्थ विथ द नंबर ऑफ वेट्स बाय वेट ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट. नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स बाय वेट ऑफ ईच एलिमेंट रो केते वेट रही सेटा रिप्रेजेंट करिवो. हला we will take an example for qualitative significance and quantitative significance. At that time we will understand thoroughly. Clear? You will understand thoroughly if we take the examples of calcium carbonate. So let us take one example. Let us take one example. From this example you can understand easily. Let us take one example. From this example you can understand easily. Here, first consider CaCO3. CaCO3. So consider CaCO3. What is CaCO3? calcium carbonate. So let us take calcium carbonate. Consider CS asla. Consider CaCO3. Calcium carbonate. We have to consider calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate ro dekho qualitative significance. Qualitative significance. Qualitative significance. Calcium carbonate ro qualitative significance kon. First la it first bit it represents calcium carbonate. It represents calcium carbonate. देखो qualitative significance हमें कौन कहते हैं? It represents name of the substance. Name of the substance कौन? Calcium carbonate. Name of the substance calcium carbonate. So qualitative significance का प्रथम point थिला it represents name of the substance. Name of the substance कौन हला इटी? We are taking example calcium carbonate. It represents name of the substance calcium carbonate. Name of the substance calcium carbonate. Second qualitative significance कौन थिला? Name of the various elements present in it. What are the various elements present in calcium carbonate? Second being it contains calcium, carbon and oxygen. It contains calcium, carbon and oxygen as the element. देखो दुईटा जिनिस qualitative significance of formula. First it represents the name of the element. It represents the name of the element. Name of the element कौन represent करा? We are taking example calcium carbonate. Name of the element calcium carbonate. So first qualitative significance of formula is that it represents name of the element. We are taking name of the substance. It represents name of the substance. So name of the substance called it represents calcium carbonate. Name of the substance. Second qualitative significance, name of the various elements present in the substance. Name of the various elements present in the substance. को various element से substance रे अछि. कौन को various element अछि देखो calcium carbonate कौन अछि? Calcium carbonate it contains calcium अछि, carbon अछि, oxygen अछि. कौन various element अछि? Calcium अछि, carbon अछि और oxygen अछि. So it contains various elements calcium, carbon and oxygen as the various elements present in calcium carbonate. So qualitative significance of formula represents first it represents name of the substance. Name of the substance देखो calcium carbonate represent कला. Second represent कौन कला? को various elements से substance रे अछि. What are the names of the various elements present in the name of the various elements present in the substance. Name of the various element कौन कौन होइछि? Calcium रहिछि, carbon रहिछि और oxygen रहिछि. Calcium रहिछि, carbon रहिछि, oxygen रहिछि. Calcium, carbon and oxygen are the various elements present in the substance that is calcium carbonate. So this is all about the qualitative significance of formula. This is all about the qualitative significance of formula. Clear? So qualitative significance, two things represent. First, it represents the name of the substance. Name of the substance called calcium carbonate. Second, it represents the various elements. It represents the various elements present in the substance. Various elements कौन कौन रही? Calcium, carbon and oxygen are the various elements present in the substance. Is that clear? Clear. Second, next is quantitative significance. Next is quantitative significance. Quantitative significance. What are the quantitative significance? of the formula. First point कौन कोई दिले? One molecule of the substance. One molecule of the substance. Quantitative significance रे formula रो quantitative significance first कौन कोई दिले? गोटे molecule, one molecule of the substance को represent करियो. One molecule एठी कौन आसीबो? First it represents one molecule of the one molecule of calcium carbonate. First एटा रिप्रेजेंट कर देला one molecule of calcium carbonate. Clear? So quantitative significance of the formula represents one molecule of calcium carbonate. First represent कला गोटे molecule of the one molecule of the substance. One molecule of the substance कौन है नहीं दिला? One molecule. We are taking example calcium carbonate. So one molecule of calcium carbonate. है ना? Second नहीं जा वार्ग. Second है one molecule of calcium carbonate is made up of one molecule of calcium carbonate is made up of one molecule of calcium carbonate is made up of one atom of calcium, one atom of carbon and three atoms of oxygen. 3 atoms of oxygen. Look at so we have to understand one molecule of the calcium carbonate. Quantitative significance कौन represent करिवो? नहीं sorry टिके बंद करो. So quantitative significance of calcium, look at very important thing. Quantitative significance of calcium carbonate कौन represent करिवो? It represents one molecule of the substance. आमे नहीं तिले one first it represents one molecule of the substance. One molecule of the substance टा कौन? One molecule of calcium carbonate. We are taking example formula कोटा नहीं थी calcium carbonate. तो one molecule of the substance वाला one molecule of calcium carbonate. Second bit one molecule of calcium carbonate is made up of one atom of calcium. One molecule of calcium carbonate is made up of one atom of calcium, one atom of carbon and 3 atoms of oxygen. 3 atoms of oxygen. देखो calcium carbonate रे calcium केते भाग अछि? गोटे भाग गोटे atom calcium रो गोटे atom carbon रो 3टा atom कार oxygen. तेरो one molecule of calcium carbonate is made up of one atom of calcium, one atom of carbon, one atom of carbon and 3 atoms of oxygen. 3 atoms of oxygen. Clear? So calcium carbonate is made up of one atom of calcium, one atom of carbon and 3 atoms of oxygen. Clear with that? Third point. Third point देखो कौन कोई दिला? Third point the number of parts by weight, 100 parts by weight of calcium carbonate. Third point 100 parts by weight. 100 parts by weight of calcium carbonate. Of calcium carbonate. 100 parts by weight of calcium carbonate. 100 parts by weight of calcium carbonate. Look at atomic weight of calcium. केते 40 atomic weight of calcium 40. We have already discussed atomic weight of calcium is 40. Next, carbon is how much? Carbon is 12. Oxygen is how much? Oxygen is 60. 100 parts by weight of calcium carbonate. Atomic weight of calcium is 40. Atomic weight of carbon is 12. Atomic weight of oxygen is 60. What we discuss actual part that is 40 parts by weight of represent 40 parts by weight of calcium. 40 parts by weight of calcium. 12 parts by weight of carbon. 40 parts by weight of calcium, 12 parts by weight of carbon, and 48 parts by weight of oxygen. Look at कार्बन गोटे पार्ट थिला, गोटे पार्ट रो एटॉमिक वेट केते कैल्शियम गोटे पार्ट, कार्बन गोटे पार्ट थिला, कैल्शियम गोटे पार्ट थिला, ऑक्सीजन केते थिला 3 एटम्स, 1 atom of calcium, 1 atom of carbon and 3 atoms of oxygen. 1 atom of calcium, 1 atom of carbon, 3 atoms of oxygen. Look at ये जो 1 atom of calcium एटॉमिक वेट केते ना 40 parts by weight of calcium गोटे calcium थिला, तापर कार्बन केते थिला गोटे 12 parts by weight of carbon, 12 parts by weight of carbon, and carbon ना केते पार्ट गोटे पार्ट, that O3 ऑक्सीजन केते पार्ट अछि तीनटा पार्ट, 1 पार्ट केते 16 into 3 48 parts by weight of oxygen, 48 parts by weight of oxygen. टोटल एडिशन कर दियो 40 plus 12 52 plus 48 केतेला 100. So 100 parts रे 40 parts by weight of calcium, 12 parts by weight of carbon and 48 parts by weight of oxygen. Hence the formula consists of 1 atom of calcium, 1 atom of carbon and 3 atoms of oxygen. So carbon atomic weight नहीं, carbon atomic weight 12, calcium atomic weight केते 40, oxygen atomic weight केते 16. Then 1 atom of calcium, that is 40 parts by weight of calcium. Then carbon atomic weight 12 parts by weight of carbon, and oxygen atomic weight केते 48 parts by weight of oxygen. So this is all about formula. Clear? So this is all about formula. Next we have to discuss how to write formula. Clear? Next heading is how to write formula of a compound. How to write formula of a compound. How to write formula of a compound. किभली गोटे compound रो formula को हमें लिखिबा. How to write a formula of a compound. A molecule of an ionic compound. A molecule of an ionic compound is always made up of two ions. A molecule of an ionic compound is always made up of two ions. देखो गोटे आयनिक कंपाउंड रो मॉलिक्यूल का दुईटा आयन्स को लेके तैयारी हेतिबो गोटे आयनिक कंपाउंड रो मॉलिक्यूल टा केतरा आयन्स को लेके तैयारी हेतिबो ना दुईटा आयन्स लेके तैयारी हेतिबो कोन कोन one is positively charged and other is negatively charged one is positively charged and the other is negatively charged. One is positively charged and other is negatively charged. But a very important thing देखो, a molecule of an ionic compound molecule is always made up of two ions. One is positively charged, that is cation. Positively charged होला कहते हैं cation, and the negatively charged, that is Na. Positively charged la cation, negatively charged la Na. Clear? So a molecule of an ionic compound is always made up of two ions. One is positively charged and the other is negatively charged. Positively charged कोटा cation का, negatively charged कोटा anion. But the compound is as a whole electrically neutral. The compound is as a whole. The compound is as a whole. The compound as a whole is electrically neutral. The compound as a whole is electrically neutral. Compound as a whole कौन आसियो electrically neutral आसियो. Clear? Compound as a whole is electrically neutral. Electrically neutral, one is cation, another is anion. So गोटे cation को गोटे anion होला compound neutral आसियो. यदि गोटे cation को दीटा anion आसियो तो गोटे दीटा anion को गोटे cation को दीटा anion आसियो कि दीटा anion को गोटे cation को दीटा anion आसियो कि दीटा anion को गोटे cation को गोटे anion आसियो सेटा neutral होबो ना. गोटे cation को गोटे anion आसियो, that is electrically neutral. But दुईटा cation को गोटे anion किंबा दुईटा anion को दुईटा cation को गोटे anion और दुईटा anion को गोटे cation आसिले electrically neutral आसियो नाही. The compound is not as a whole electrically neutral. The compound is not as a whole electrically neutral. Is that clear? So the compound as a whole is electrically neutral. The compound as a whole is electrically neutral. So we have to apply what are the different steps we have to involve. Step 1. कौन मेथड में इन्वॉल्व करिवा? Step 1. Write the symbols. Write the symbols of the constituent. Write the symbols of the constituent ions side by side. Write the symbols of the constituent ions side by side. Constituent ions, that is cation, out ala anion. Cation ala positively charged, anion ala negatively charged. Say to write the symbols of the constituent ion, that is cation, anion, side by side ame likhiba. Side by side likhiba. That is, write the cations. Write the cation on LHS and write the anion on write the cation on LHS, write the anion on RHS. cation टा लिखिबा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे, anion टा लिखिबा को साइड रे, राइट हैंड साइड रे. क्लियर? cation लिखिबा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे, anion लिखिबा राइट हैंड साइड. फर्स्ट स्टेप लगन, फर्स्ट स्टेप we have to write the cation on the left hand side, write the anion on the right hand side, or we have to write the symbols of the constituent ions, that is cations and anion, side by side. Side by side means left side रे cation, right side रे anion. Left side रे cation लिखिबा, right side रे कोन लिखिबा, anion लिखिबा. Clear? Next, step 2. Step 2, write down, enclose the step 2. Step 2 कौन है? Enclose the compound ion if any in a bracket. Enclose the compound ion. Enclose the compound ion if any in a bracket. Enclose the compound ion if any. Enclose the compound ion if any in a bracket. जदि कंपाउंड आयन किसी दिबो ताको कोन करिया ब्रैकेट भितर लिखिया. क्लियर? एनक्लोज द कंपाउंड आयन इफ एनी इन ए ब्रैकेट. जदि किसी कंपाउंड आयन थिबो ताको ए बळिया ब्रैकेट करी लिखिया. क्लियर? सेकंड स्टेप, फर्स्ट स्टेप रेला कैटायन टाको लेफ्ट साइड लिखिबा, एनायन टाको राइट साइड लिखिबा. सेकंड स्टेप, जदि कंपाउंड आयन थिबो ताको एनक्लोज करिबा ब्रैकेट रे. तापर थर्ड स्टेप, step 3, write the numericals. Write the numericals value. Write the numerical value of the charge. Write the numericals value of the charge on top. Write the numericals value of the charge on top. Numerical value charge ro, suppose PB SO4. PB ro charge एपटे 2 एपटे 2. Write the numericals value of the charge on the top. कैटायन सपोज एटाला कैटायन एटाला एनायन. कैटायन नो चार्ज टा ऊपर लिखिबा, एनायन नो चार्ज टा ऊपर लिखिबा. राइट द न्यूमेरिकल्स वैल्यू ऑफ द चार्ज ऑन न्यूमेरिकल्स वैल्यू चार्ज रो टॉप रे लिखिबा, माने ऊपर रे लिखिबा. राइट द न्यूमेरिकल्स वैल्यू ऑफ द चार्ज ऑन द टॉप. न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू ऑफ द चार्ज टा ऊपर रे लिखिबा. क्लियर? तापर स्टेप 4. Step 4, look at step 4. If the charge of the two ions, if the charge of the two ions are divisible, if the charge of the two ions are divisible, if the charge of the two ions are divisible by a if the charge of the two ions are divisible by a common factor, then reduce the numericals. Reduce the numericals or numerals. Reduce the numerals. Reduce the numerals. That is Pb2SO4 Pb2SO4 we can write Pb2SO4 can be written as PbSO4. Okay, PbSO4 एटा को भी आमे जदर नहीं परिबा एटा को 1 एटा को 1 एटा को एवळे 1 1 लिखिया अपेक्षा PbSO4 भी लिख परिबा PbSO4 और Pb1SO4 1 से कहू if the charge of the two ions are divisible by a common factor जदि common factor द्वारा divisible होतबो 2 एटा common factor के अछि 2 अछि 2 द्वारा डिवाइड कर देला केते अछि एटी 1 एटी 1 तारो आमे ताको एवळे भी लिखि परिबा सपोज एटा को हितांदा 2 एटा को हितांदा 4 ताले केते लिख देंगे एटा धरो एवळे हितांदा सपोज Pb2SO4 4 हिता सपोज एटा तो होबनी किंतु जदि एटा होइदा ताले केते हितांदा PbSO4 2 एटा होबो नाही तारो जदि कॉमन फैक्टर थिबो ताको ताले कोन करबा डिविजिबल कर दो यदि कॉमन फैक्टर थिबो ताको ताले कोन करबा डिविजिबल कर दो क्लियर Pb2SO4 whole 2 can be written as Pb1SO4 1 or PbSO4 clear next step 5 finally crisscross the numerals. Finally crisscross the numerals or numerical value. Finally crisscross the numerals or numerical values. Reduce the numerals or numerical भी परियो numerals or numericals. Finally crisscross the numerical value of their charge. Finally crisscross the numerical values of their charges. Finally crisscross the numerical values of their charges. So so we can write PbSO4 is the desired or required formula. So finally crisscross the numerical values of their charges. So PbSO4 is the desired or required formula. PbSO4 टा कोन गोटे required formula कार lead sulfide. Next I will give the example how to write all the steps clear. First step रे कोन करिवो लेफ्ट साइड रे cation लिखिवो राइट साइड रे anion लिखिवो सेकंड स्टेप रे जदी कंपाउंड आन थिवो ताकू स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट दबो कंपाउंड आन थिले स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट दबो थर्ड स्टेप रे न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू ऑफ देयर चार्ज का कैटायन नो चार्ज टा ऊपर लिखिवो एनायन नो चार्ज टा ऊपर लिखिवो तापर परेटा जदी कॉमन फैक्टर थिवो ताकू डिविजिबल कर दबो Pb2SO4 2 कॉमन अछि डिवाइड कर देले 2 केते छ PbSO4 जदी 2 4 थिवो Pb suppose 2, SO4 suppose 4 था 2 कॉमन फैक्टर 2 द्वारा डिवाइड कर देले Pb SO4 होल 2 ऐसा ना और Pb 2 SO4 6 था ताले केते आइछ 2 डिवाइड कर देले Pb SO4 3 Pb SO4 3 था तो कॉमन फैक्टर थिले सेटा डिविजिबल कर दो तापरे क्रिस क्रॉस कर दो क्रिस क्रॉस मींस finally criss cross the numerical values of their charges criss cross means ei bolia pb ta ei pade jibo SO4 ta ei pade jibo this is criss cross eta oda example deli ame करैबा next example के bolia होउची clear next I will take two examples this is all about the formula I will take two examples. First, example, write the formula of aluminum sulfate. Example 1. Write the formula. Write the formula of aluminum sulfate बर्तमान आमे लिखिबा कार formula of aluminum sulfate clear we have to write the formula of aluminum sulfate so first step कोन कहितली step 1 cation का लेफ्ट साइड लिखिबा anion का को साइड लिखिबा राइट साइड लिखिबा दैट इज cation प्लस एल्युमिनियम सल्फेट हला एटा सेकंड स्टेप रे कोन कहि दिली स्टेप 2 हमें लिखिबा cation anion जदि कंपाउंड आयन थिबो ताले ताको कोन करिबा ब्रैकेट एनक्लोज ब्रैकेट if presence of compound ion SO4 टा कंपाउंड आयन ताको कोन करिबा ब्रैकेट रे क्लोज करिबा क्लियर कंपाउंड आयन थिले ब्रैकेट रे क्लोज करिबा एटा cation एटा ला anion एटा ला cation एटा ला anion फर्स्ट स्टेप लेफ्ट साइड लिखिबा cation राइट साइड लिखिबा anion सेकंड स्टेप cation टा लिखिबा लेफ्ट साइड रे जदि कंपाउंड आयन थिबो कंपाउंड आयन थिले एनक्लोज करिबा ब्रैकेट रे थर्ड स्टेप कौन लिखिबा स्टेप 3 लिखिबा एल्युमिनियम चार्ज जोड़ा लिखिबा एठी एल्युमिनियम रो चार्ज हला 3 सल्फेट हला 2 एल्युमिनियम रो चार्ज केते 3 सल्फेट रे केते 2 तापर स्टेप 4 and 5 step 4 and 5 4 5 रे कोन करिबा 4 5 रे कोन करिबा देखो एल्युमिनियम 3 SO4 2 क्रिस क्रॉस कहितली क्रिस क्रॉस टा कोन ए बळे देखो एटा एपटे जीवो एटा एपटे जीवो एटा एपटे दिस इज कॉल्ड क्रिस क्रॉस ए बळे जीवाडा को कोन कहै जाय क्रिस क्रॉस एटा को तमे लिखि परिबा Al2 SO4 whole 3 this is the required formula this is the desired formula of aluminum sulfate. This is the desired formula of aluminum sulfate. Is that clear? This is the desired formula of aluminum sulfate. Clear? So look at first step में कौन लिखिले step 1 रे according to the how to write the formula first step कौन कोई दिली लेफ्ट साइड रे लिखिबा cation टा राइट साइड लिखिबा कोडा anion टा लेफ्ट साइड cation राइट साइड anion सेकंड स्टेप जदि कंपाउंड आयन थिबो ताकू एनक्लोज करिबा ब्रैकेट रे if there is presence of any compound ion, we have to enclose it in a bracket. Third step, aluminium रो चार्ज टा ऊपर लिखिवा, सल्फेट रो चार्ज टा ऊपर लिखिवा. तापरे फोर्थ स्टेप जदि कॉमन फैक्टर थिबो डिविजिबल करदा, कॉमन फैक्टर नाही. फिफ्थ स्टेप कोन करिवा, क्रिस क्रॉस करदा. आर चार्ज टा एपटे जीवो, आर चार्ज टा एपटे जीवो. दिस इज द required or desired formula of aluminium sulfate. This is the desired or required formula of aluminium sulfate. Is that clear? Next, I will formula likhiwa. Write the formula of calcium write the formula of calcium phosphate. Write the formula of calcium phosphate. Step 1. Step 1 कौन कहते? We have to write the cation on the left hand side. Write the anion on the right hand side. We have to write the cation on the left hand side. Write the anion on the right hand side. Cation कोटा अच्छी calcium. Calcium में लिखिए को side है left side है. Phosphate लिखिए sorry phosphate लिखिए right side है. Calcium left side है. Phosphate right side. Second, calcium लेफ्ट साइड है कैटायन, राइट साइड है एनायन. तापरे जदि कंपाउंड आयन, इफ देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ एनी कंपाउंड आयन देन एनक्लोज दिस इफ एनी कंपाउंड आयन. एटा एनक्लोज करे स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट रे. तापरे चार्ज लिखिबा कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट. कैल्शियम रो चार्ज केते 2, कैल्शियम रो चार्ज केते 2, फॉस्फेट रो चार्ज केते 3. कैल्शियम रो चार्ज केते 2, फॉस्फेट रो चार्ज केते 3. तापरे calcium phosphate. So this is the desired formula or required formula for this is the desired or required formula of calcium phosphate. This is the desired formula of calcium phosphate. This is the desired formula of calcium phosphate. Clear? So this is the formula of calcium phosphate. So this is all about the formula. Next I will give you the examples of different. Suppose I will go give one example. So try to write this example. Suppose KBr. Write the formula of potassium bromide. Write the formula of write the formula of potassium. Write the formula of potassium bromide. Write the formula of potassium bromide. Potassium K eta Br एटी किसी ये नहीं एटा एटा कौन आसियो एटा डायरेक्ट सेकंड स्टेप रे कोन लिखुतले पोटेशियम ब्रोमाइड एटी किसी चार्ज दरकार नहीं खाली के एटी भी के बी आर. थर्ड स्टेप K1 Br 1 Br टा कंपाउंड एटा तोरा सिंगल रेडिकल KBr तापरे एटा 1 नाली क्रिस क्रॉस किसी दरकार नहीं रिक्वायर्ड फार्मूला KBr. So this is the required formula of potassium bromide. This is the required formula of potassium bromide. Clear? So this is the look at it. First प्रथम step. Sorry, प्रथम step कौन करियो? प्रथम step कैटायन टा को लेफ्ट साइड लिखियो, एनायन टा को राइट साइड लिखियो. Step 1 कैटायन टा को लेफ्ट साइड लिखियो, एनायन टा को राइट साइड लिखियो. एटा ला step 1. Clear? Second step जदि कंपाउंड आयन थिबो एनक्लोज करिवो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट रे, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट दबो. जदि कंपाउंड आयन नथिबो किछि दरकार नाही, कंपाउंड आयन नथिले खाली सिंपल लिखिवो. तापरे न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू ऑफ द चार्ज, न्यूमेरिकल पोटेशियम रो 1, Br रो भी 1. सेठी जा थिबो न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू ऑफ द चार्ज से टॉप रे लिखिवो, न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू टॉप रे लिखिवो. क्लियर? न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू टा टॉप रे लिखिवो. तापरे जदि न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू रे कॉमन वैल्यू आस्ता ताको डिविजिबल कर दबो. जदि कॉमन वैल्यू आसनो था ताले डिविजिबल करिया दरकार नाही. तापरे क्रिस क्रॉस करिवो. तापरे कोन करिवो? क्रिस क्रॉस दी वैल्यू. क्रिस क्रॉस कर चला परे फाइनली रिजल्ट ता पाई. क्लियर? So this is all about writing the formula. Another formula I will write. Suppose sodium sulfate. Sodium 3 4. It has 4. Suppose example 4. Write the formula of sodium sulfate. Write the formula of sodium. Write the formula of sodium sulfate. Itala Na sodium SO4. First bit cation first कौन लिखिबा? cation टा को लेफ्ट साइड लिखिबा, anion टा को राइट साइड लिखिबा. cation टा को लेफ्ट साइड लिखिबा, anion टा को राइट साइड लिखिबा. क्लियर? cation टा लेफ्ट साइड लिखिले, anion टा राइट साइड लिखिले. तापरे cation सल्फेट कंपाउंड आयन टा ब्रैक सल्फेट ए कंपाउंड आयन ताकू एनक्लोज कले ब्रैकेट रे. तापर स्टेप Na1 sulfate 2. Na1 sulfate 2. बर्तमान ए जो Na1 sulfate 2 कॉमन चार्ज किछि, कॉमन न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू किछि नाही. तापरे फोर्थ स्टेप Na1 sulfate 2 क्रिस क्रॉस. तेणु केते आसला Na2 SO4. So this is the desired formula for sodium sulfate. This is the desired formula for sodium sulfate. Clear? So this is the desired formula for sodium sulfate. Next class I will 2-3 examples I will discuss. After that we will discuss the next part, what is acid, base, etc. So so we will discuss next class the some formula and the what is acid, base, salt and ions, etc. Clear? Thank you. देखो हम चित्र हां सेठी को देखिए कोडी सेटा जा एटी मास्टर नाला कोडा कोडा पर फिगर आसुनी आपन को नाना कोना फिगर आसुनी सेठी को फिगर आसुनी ना ए जो रेकॉर्डिंग टा होतला पूरा आसुतला फिगर आसुतला हैं काई फोटो सब आसुतला हां सेटा आसे पर एटी मान नहीं का देखिए देखाइए कौन देखाइए
ଦେଖିଦେବା
कौन नेक्स्ट